My name's Christy, and this is a Rockstar Science production.
Okay, today's activity is on viruses. We're going to be looking at the reproductive characteristics of viruses, and in that they're non-living, they need to attach themselves to a host, but specifically we're going to be looking at how viruses are transmitted. And with this comes the concept of vaccination. And so all the students are going to have a card kind of like this, and they're all going to have different vaccinations, and we're going to use this later on to look at patterns in terms of these viruses spreading. Let's say, for example, Johnny has this card, and he meets Susie that has this one. Well, you know, Susie has influenza, but because Johnny has vaccination for it, he won't get it. However, take this then if, for example, Johnny meets Cindy here, and Cindy, for example, has hepatitis, and Johnny doesn't. Well, he will then have that, and he'll be a transmitter of that. So this is an activity just to kind of model this activity amongst the class, just through humans going around and just making contact with one another. We'll look for trends in terms of what virus is most commonly vaccinated for. We'll also look at the reasons why people get vaccinations, and so on and so forth. Sure. So you're safe.
I have the worst card, I think. I think I have the worst card.
Let me see. What do you got?
I got everything.
So you're pretty sick.
Yeah.
Anybody you touch that doesn't have a vaccination, you're going to spread to.
I have hepatitis and yellow fever. You have yellow fever now? No, I
So
haven't.
if you get infected with yellow fever, you got to mark it down on your card.
But
then,
now I
buddy.
also have influenza. And mine was already mine was already, so I don't have any. Oh, you have that thing. It has been erased.
Blank? Okay, if you get any interactions with infected, you get infected all because you have no vaccination.
So, no yellow fever.
You got to pass it on.
I'm perfectly fine.
Let me see.
Don't see you. I don't want to see you.
Okay, so that means that you can pass on yellow fever to anybody that doesn't have a yellow fever vaccination.